I'm Ayesha minhas and I reside in Saudi Arabia. Sir Nouman has taught me majority of my ACC subjects. I actually gained my ACC affiliation status through his teaching. I've had different teachers in the past, and there actually came a point where I started thinking to myself that maybe I wasn't cut out for ACCA. But when Sir Nouman started teaching me, I started understanding the very basics of the subjects. The great thing about Sir Nouman is that he makes sure there is enough time to cover up the course completely and the required time for revision. He's even willing to give extra classes for any unclarity or any doubts that may arise along the way. I've actually had guidance from him for my further professional qualification as well. He guided me towards what suits me the best, to what I actually wanted to do, and what he thinks would suit me better. He has been nothing but a constant guidance. I'm his current student as well. Even after ACCA, he's now teaching me towards CIA. I'm currently studying part 1 of CIA from him. You would think that maybe I'm a loyal student, that I'm still studying from him, but it's actually the complete opposite. He has been a loyal teacher to me.